In this module, we're going to discuss lookup tables. We can use Excel to look up values in tables for us and perform calculations. For example, assume you have a certain income. Excel can look up this value and inform you how much tax you will need to pay. Or assume you work in a store that allows for volume discounts if one buys in bulk. Someone calls in with an order of 223 widgets. Excel can help you easily determine the cost of the amount by utilizing a lookup table. Let's look at one in action. Our customer asks the price of 223 widgets. So it says over here, enter the number of widgets ordered. Now this was just typed in, nothing special. However, when I put in the number, which is 223, and press enter, the price per widget comes out to be 40 cents, and the total price is $95.44. Cell B4 calculates the final price, and the final price is obtained by the price per widget, which is 40 cents, times the number of widgets is 223, and we have over here information that there's a 7% tax. Now the key in using the special function is called the vlookup function. It's called that because the data you want to look up is stored vertically in a table. The vlookup function has three parts. The first item is the number you want to look up. So in this case, we're looking up what's in cell B1. The second item is the location of the table to look this value up. The table is located in D9 to E13. Let's take a look. Now this table was created just by typing in text and numbers. There's nothing special about this. It doesn't matter where the table is placed. But this is called the lookup table. The third item indicates which column of the table the resulting price is to be found. So we have over here the number 2, which means it's going to be found in the second column. And when we typed in the number 223, it basically is going to look for the second column, which corresponds to 223. Now to interpret the table, basically we have the following. If you buy one item, it's 60 cents. When we exceed one item, we see that's going to go down in price to 50 cents, then 40 cents, then 35 cents. So in our case, when we ordered 223 items, this fits into the category between 100 and 500, and anything between 100 and 500 will be at 40 cents. Since this is so useful, let's just review a few terms or things that we mentioned in a little more detail. When we start out again, the B1 means look up cell B1 for the value typed. And the value we typed was 223. And then we have the table which we placed over here. Note the headings are not considered as part of the table. So when we have B9 to E13, we do not include the headings. The way you found the result of 40 cents is that Excel starts at the top of the table in cell F9 and continues down until it finds a value that's greater than what was typed, namely 223. At that point, it goes up one cell and over to the column indicated in the formula. In our case, it's 2. And 2 means the result is found in the second column of the table, going from left to right, namely 40 cents. Note that the table has a definite organization. The values in the first column are typically in ascending order. Note also that the information contained from cell D1 to E6 is just information. Similarly, the data typed in F1 down to G6 is just information. It does not go into the calculation. The calculation is determined by the actual table, which is located from D8, well, starting really from D9 through E13. There are so many examples that we can look up and to apply. For example, maybe we'd like to look up an employee's phone extension by using their badge number, or possibly the correct rate of a commission for a sales amount. So what we've just seen is that you can easily look these up very quickly and find specific data in a list and to automatically verify that you're using correct data. And after you look up the data, you can perform calculations